This video shows how to buy shares of Repsol, the Spanish integrated oil and gas company. Repsol trades on CBOE EU under the ticker REP.MC, and this guide is for educational purposes only, not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a broker, and I will use eToro as an example to demonstrate the steps. After registering, you must verify your account, usually with an ID, and add funds before you can place an order. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker REP.MC to find Repsol. Select the matching Repsol listing from the results to open its asset page. On the Repsol page, review the company summary and the live price chart to check basic information. Confirm the issuer and the ticker REP.MC to ensure you have the correct stock. To invest, click Invest, enter the amount you want to use, then carefully review the order details before confirmation. If the market is closed, your order may be queued until it reopens, and if you lack funds, the platform will prompt you to add them before confirming the trade. After the trade, the Repsol position will appear in your portfolio for monitoring. A link to eToro is provided in the description if you want to visit the platform and follow the same process.